Thanks for calling Internal
Hello,
Revenue Service.
this is
How may I help
Lenny.
you? Is this Lenny?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
John Wilson, Sam here. John Wilson.
Yes.
Yes. John Wilson. How may I help you?
Oh, good. Yes.
Oh, good. Yes. It sounds like pretty. Pretty sounds. It sounds pretty.
Oh, yes. Hello, this is Lenny.
Hello, how can I help you?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
What the?
Yes, IRS, how can I help?
Hello, this is Lenny.
Sorry?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Yes, IRS, how can I help?
Yes. Oh, good. Yes.
Yes, the IRS. How can I help you today?
Hello, this is Lenny.
Sorry?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there. Hello, this is Lenny. Sorry, I can barely hear you there. Hello, this is Lenny. Hello, this is Lenny.
Thank you for calling Internal Revenue Service. How may I help you today? Hello?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Oh, good. Yes.
When did you receive the call?
Oh, yes.
Hello?
Yes. Someone did say last week. Someone did call last week about the same thing.
So can you provide me your first name, your last name, sir?
Yes. Sorry, what was your name again?
Sorry?
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was
your name?
talking about this.
What is your name?
Just last week, and she is very smart. I'll give her that because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. We're all quite proud of her. Yes. So she was saying that I should look into this sort of thing. So what more can you tell me about it?
Okay, bye-bye.
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that again? Hello, this is Lenny.
Hello, thank you. Have a nice day. How are you?
Hello, this is Lenny.
Hello.
Thank you for calling the Internal Revenue Service. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Hello, this is Lenny.
Sorry?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
How can I help you, sir? You have reached the IRS.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry?
Oh, good. Yes, yes, yes.
How can I help you, sir?
Oh, yes, yes. Someone did say last week. No, someone did call last week about the same thing. Was that you?
I am not the person who asked you to call this number. The IRS headquarters has sent you an voicemail to call back at this number. I am not the one
Sorry,
who called you.
what's your name again?
Sorry?
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and you know she is very smart. I'll give her that because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed.
So you are
distinctions.
repeating once.
You
are repeating whatever you have told
yes.
you. I can hear you.
Yeah, she was saying that I should look into this sort of thing. So what more can you tell me about it?
Sir, see, I'm asking you again your first and last name, and you are not willing to provide me your information, and I cannot help you out since I don't have the details about you. If you want me to explain you the reason behind this call, can you provide me your daughters or your first and last name?
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that
Can I?
again?
All right. Can I have your first and last name? Your name? What is your name?
Sorry again.
So, what is your first and last name?
Could you say that again, please?
What is your name?
Yes, yes, yes.
What?
Sorry, which company did you say you were calling from again?
What is your first and last name?
Well, here's the thing, because the last time that someone called up,
So you are not getting what I'm talking
on the
about.
phone,
Just hang up the
I
call,
got
okay?
quite a bit of trouble from.
Yes, IRS how can help?
Hello, this is Lenny.
Sorry?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Yes, IRS how can help you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, okay.
Hello, this is Lenny.
Fuck you. How about that?
Sorry, I can barely.